Alright, so the white MJ's been sitting all winter, so I just charged the battery up, so we're going to see if she fires up. I can't remember what set of keys I used for it. I think it's this one though. Make sure she's in neutral, yep. Not bad. Still running about the same, but yeah, sat all winter and fired right up. This is my race truck Comanche. So Waymid needs a video of the engine running on this thing, so we'll get him a video. It'll be not well running, but maybe if we give her some gas. There we go. Need a little bit of throttle. All right, I'll sit you guys down here. Come on, baby. It's literally rocking like it's cammed. Oh, that's hilarious.